Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Porsche Cayenne headlights. First, gather your tools, a T20 Torx driver and a measuring tape. Next, find a level surface and a flat wall, ideally 25 feet away, to project your headlight beams. This setup is crucial for accurate adjustments, ensuring your lights provide the best possible illumination without blinding other drivers. Let's get started. To prepare, park your Porsche Cayenne on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall. Turn on your low beams and mark the center of each beam's brightest point on the wall. This provides a reference for your adjustments. Also, ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full for consistent vehicle weight. These steps are vital for precise alignment. Now let's adjust. Open your hood and locate the two adjustment screws on the top of each headlight assembly. One screw controls vertical movement and the other handles horizontal. Using your T20 Torx driver, turn the screws to align the low beam cutoff. Aim for the top edge of the low beam to be 2 inches below your marked line on the wall. Make small, precise turns. After adjusting, take your Cayenne for a short drive to confirm the alignment. Ensure both headlights are evenly illuminating the road and that your high beams also align correctly, providing maximum visibility. Proper headlight adjustment significantly enhances night driving safety. For other great car care tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below this video. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.